Okay, so now I am going to explain an algorithm where we have to count the frequency of all characters in a string in JavaScript. So I will start typing and then I will start explaining. Okay, so I will check if the algorithm works and then when I will explain it, let's check together. H is 1, E is 1, L is 3 times, O is 2, then we have an empty space 1, W1, R1, and D1, so it is working. So the first things I did is create a function, count cars, that takes a string as parameter. Then I declared a constant called counts that has an empty object, and then I created a for loop. In this case, it iterates over a string, and then we have a conditional. So that's all. The conditional does the following. It checks if it is undefined the element in that moment of the loop, in that iteration. And if it is undefined, it puts the value of 1 in that element. Why are we doing this? Because in order to count for each character the frequency, the number of times that it appears, we must do this to increment by 1. But the element is not starting as 0, but if it is the first time that the element is found during the iterations in the loop, we will find that it is undefined. In that case, we have to do this technique of comparing it, if checking if it is undefined, and in that case, we start the value as 1. In that case, we then are able to increment it. So that's the main, that we can say, difficult part for beginners of this algorithm. And also it is important to know that the easier way to do it, or one of the easiest way to do it, is by using an empty object. So I hope it is clear. You can ask questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.